Bron gang, what's good? Big homie back with another sneaker video. So I'm all traveled out this week. Made it back from Dallas last night. Had a great time with the wife. Y'all see, had some pretty decent pickups. It was a crazy week, but had a good time. Glad to be back at home. And when I got home, definitely had a package waiting on me. Told y'all, I had pair 207 in the Bron collection coming, so it touched down last night. So got to do this unboxing with y'all. Like I said, we just keeping it rolling and keeping it moving. So like I said, 207. This purchase was an impulse purchase because I was in Dallas. I'm still debating if I want to post that vlog, because we went to like 7 stores, 8 stores, nothing. Probably over like 3 different malls. It was crazy, and I didn't find anything down there. I just knew, going out of town, I was gonna find something that I couldn't find here at home. Wrong. Went online, copped this one, something that I wanted, and the price was great. So ended up getting it for $54.99. Then with shipping and everything, it came to like $70. So you really can't beat it. So like I said, Pat got here yesterday, and we about to just go ahead and jump into this. So like I said, this pair of 207 in the Bron collection. When I get to 225, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Y'all been rocking with me, so I gotta give back to y'all. So I think I'm just gonna do is I've given away jerseys and stuff like that before, but on the shoe, I think I'm just gonna grab the shoe, pay for it cash, and then I'll go buy it, put the receipt in the box, and if you win, you win. Keep it, return it, do whatever you need to do. You can get the money back if you want to. It's all up to you. So like I said, I'm gonna pay for it in cash, throw the receipt in the box, and yeah, so that when I hit 225, in the Bron collection, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So as you can see, it's a 5. Not too many people out here buying 5s anymore. They selling them, and I've been finding them, cheap. So I'm starting to pick them up because I definitely need some in the collection. I need 5s and I need 6s. So I've got I'll go over that in the end. But this one, like I said, end up getting it for $54, $54.99, and then with tax and everything, comes to like $70. So I'm tripping because I didn't know it came with the box. I might have been reading something else. I thought it didn't come with a box. So 5 boxes, you got the 5 on the top. This one's got the LJ23, Nike sign on that side, Nike sign on this side. Show y'all the tag. This one is Zoom LeBron 5. Let me see if I can get this color code. Nope. It's white navy. We'll just go from there. Because they got these other tags on here. I don't know where he bought these from, but yeah. As you can see, hey, look like Buddy kept them nice. Hey, and they look good. Hold on. Nike Zoom LeBron 5. White navy. Yeah, these is pretty cool. Let's get the other one out. Yeah, there we go. This one's actually in good shape. The pictures, look pretty good. It's good leather. So, you got some wear in that leather right there, as you can see over here. But other than that, no sole separation. Just need a little cleaning on the bottom. You can tell, they worn. Just need to be clean on the bottom. This eBay tag definitely coming off ASAP. Got the straps on them. That's big. Like a lot of the 5s I see, they don't have the straps. So yeah, these just need like a quick little, little once over. Get the little top dust off of it or whatever. But yeah, definitely had to grab these. Like I said, let me go get the other colors. So the only other 5s I do have the black and red, and I have the Dunk Man. So yeah, definitely had to grab this white navy. Because, it's just one of the colors that you got to have. Like, if you're grabbing the OGs, which I'm trying to grab all OG colorways, definitely got to have black and red, the white and navy, and that Dunk Man. So that I think I paid for all 3 of these. I might have paid $150. So, a lot of people right now are unloading Brons. So I think after it retire, everything going to shoot up. So that's why now I'm just cleaning up, everything now. So I'm grabbing pairs, $50, $30, $40. $100, it is what it is. I'm just grabbing them because I just think this stuff's gonna shoot up, after he retires. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing video. Like I said, pair 207. We climbing to 225, and like these, I'm tripping on these because these are in real good shape. Like I said, it's just got to take, do a little once over on them, get the little top dust off. But yeah, nice little pickup. Glad to have these in the collection now. Like I said, I don't know why I hate these little tags on the back. And I hate when I be out and see people wearing them on the shoe. Take that shit out. But yeah, comment, like, subscribe. How you feel about the 5s? Because I'm kind of on the fence on the 5 and the 6. So what's your favorite? I think I'm going to do another video. What you think the worst Brons are? I'm not going to say worst, but I'm just going to say, like, if you had to pick 5 Brons you didn't have to have in the line, which ones would you be? If I'm going to go 5, 6, 13, 14, and probably, this is going to be a hard choice, but I'm going to say 18. I would say those 5 right there are the ones that, you know, I could live without. But I mean, the 5, this one is definitely starting to grow on me, like the Mr. Basketball and all that kind of stuff. I found some of those. I think it's the Fearless. I seen a Whatnot ad on eBay. They got them for $1. So I got to see how that's going to start. I ain't never did that before. If you ever did that, comment down below and let me know. Or hit me up on Instagram in my inbox and let me know at Big Homie Kicks 80. Let me know how that works. But yeah, just quick little unboxing just to throw these in there. You know, show you how pair 207 is definitely secured in the collection now. And 208, I don't know what 208 is going to hold for. So I'm thinking of going to a 17. I found a 17 that I want. So I might try and make that shake. But yeah, just comment down below what you think about the 5 and what you think about the 6. Because I definitely need to grab some 6s too. And yeah, just, you know, trying to get it all well rounded. You know, yeah, that's what I'm doing. So yeah, appreciate y'all for rocking with me like always. Quick unboxing. New addition to the Bron Cave, to the collection, pair 207. And catch y'all on the next one.